Hey there, space explorers! Are you ready to blast off on a wild journey to the biggest planet in our solar system? Buckle up, because today we're zooming all the way to Jupiter. First up, did you know Jupiter is so huge you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it? Whoa, that's like stuffing all the candy in your house into one giant jar. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface to walk on. You just sink right in. But wait, check this out. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. It's so big it could swallow our entire planet. And guess what? This storm has been raging for hundreds of years. Talk about wild weather. Now let's meet Jupiter's family. Jupiter has at least 95 moons. That's more than any other planet in our solar system. Its biggest moon, Ganymede, is even larger than Mercury. Imagine having that many moons lighting up your night sky. And here's a fun fact. Jupiter spins super fast. It takes just about 10 hours to spin around once. That means if you lived on Jupiter, your day would be less than half as long as on Earth. Finally, did you know that spaceships have actually visited Jupiter? NASA's Juno spacecraft is there right now, sending back awesome pictures and learning brand new things about our giant neighbor. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Jupiter is up there, spinning fast, surrounded by moons and always ready for a cosmic adventure. Keep exploring, future astronauts. Who knows where we'll blast off to next? Bye-bye!